Welcome to Pip Insight. Monday the 13th of July, Asian Pre-Open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian Pre-Open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's plenty to unpack tonight. Gold has taken a serious beating over the past several sessions, dropping from highs near $4,147 on the 9th of July all the way down to a session low of $3,992 earlier today. That's a dramatic move, and as we head into the Asian Pre-Open, price is hovering just above $4,009, sitting in a tight consolidation band that's barely 20 points wide. The structure is firmly bearish. All 3 major moving averages on the 4-hour chart are stacked well above price, with the 200 EMA sitting all the way up near $4,227. The RSI has plunged to an extreme reading of around 10, deeply oversold territory, which historically can spark short covering bounces, but that alone doesn't signal a trend reversal. On the fundamental side, today's calendar is relatively light for gold. We have Fed members Bowman and Waller speaking, but both are flagged as low-impact events. No major CPI or labor data to dramatically shift the dollar narrative or safe haven demand overnight. So heading into the Asian session, the levels to keep on your radar are the resistance zone between $4,022 and $4,055 overhead, that's the base of the breakdown, and below price, the $3,993 intraday low followed by the $3,980 area as the next meaningful support. That consolidation range tells the story for tonight. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1405 and 1.1412. Support is marked between 1.137 and 1.1378. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3368 and 1.3375. Support is marked between 1.3338 and 1.3344. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.48 and 162.65. Support is marked between 161.82 and 161.98. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8149 and 0.8155. Support is marked between 0.8115 and 0.8125. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.6932 and 0.6937. Support is marked between 0.6912 and 0.69165. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.4165 and 1.4176. Support is marked between 1.4122 and 1.4135. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.